Let's get inspired! Today we're going to talk about the home screen and the keyboard. So first, to turn on your calculator, you'll see in the top right corner there is the on button. And when you turn it on, you will get the home screen. And you might be like, whoa, this is not like any calculator I've ever seen before, because it's not. It's basically like a computer. And so you got to think about, like, when you turn a computer on, first of all, it probably took you a little bit of time. You had to wait for it. It didn't come on automatically. And then just like a computer. And then once you get here, these are a bunch of different applications that you can choose from. And you can also save things. You can save documents. You can put them in folders. We'll get into that in later videos, but you just think about it like a computer. And let's talk about the keyboard really quickly. The keyboard is kind of broken up into three different sections. The top section is kind of how to maneuver around between the applications and some of the different features that you can find within applications. But you have this nice touchpad right there in the smack in the center, which is a lot like a mouse. So to scroll down, you can just click down, or to go to the right. But you can also select on it if you want to actually scroll around and on use like an actual touchpad, like you would on a computer. The middle third here is like normal calculator. A lot of normal calculator features in here, but there's a lot of goodies in there as well that we'll get to later on. And then the bottom is a keyboard. It's not a QWERTY keyboard. It's in alphabetical order, so just be on the lookout for that. And other things that you'll notice on your home screen are, it tells you what your battery life is up here. If you want to change your settings, there's a little settings guide back there, which you can select. You can also find settings here. And then and we'll talk about Scratchpad and Document in the next video. But really quickly, if you do want to just calculate something, one way to do it is to calculate under the Scratchpad. You can either highlight it and hit enter, or you can even just hit A to go into the Scratchpad. And then once you're there, let's say you want to multiply 456 times 365, and you hit enter, and that's again, just like a calculator, that's how it goes. And if you want to go back to the home screen for some reason, all you gotta do is click on this button up here, and you're right back on the home screen. Now to turn the calculator off, you just hit Control on. So you see a little off up there. So the control is the blue above, and you click Control off, and you turn the calculator off. All right, time to go running. Bye.